Very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. Uh, I hope in this situation we need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema in front of you, and today I'll start the new chapter Animals Home. Hope you all enjoy my earlier videos and please watch this interesting video till end to more about animals home. So as the chapter name animals home, so children look here, this is a picture of home. Here you can see this is a picture of home, and as you know, homes are greatly important for all of us. It protects us from natural conditions, other animals, thieves, and outside pollution. And one more things, very important things, this COVID. In this COVID situation also we need to be at home. And this home is built on land, and humans live only on land. Okay, so let's start. Everyone needs a home, and we all feel very safe here in our home. After the school gets over, all of us are so eager to reach back to our sweet home. Hmm? And you can see this picture here. One question is, do you think animals also have a home? Hmm? Yes, like us, animals too need a place to go to in the night for sleeping comfortably and protecting themselves from any problems and threats. In the jungle, wild animals, and like lions, okay, lions look for caves and make them their home. The lion's home is called them. He is not going to make, okay, he is not going to make that home. Okay, if he find any caves in the jungle, so they use it as his home, and that is called them. Okay, here you can see the next one, bear. Okay, and where he stay, where stays in a cave. Elephant, okay, the bigger animal, they don't need a home to live. Elephant, giraffe, they live in the forest. Deer, grassland. Okay, hippopotamus, they live in near water bodies where it is river bank. Monkey, actually monkey he never make their home. Okay, and they live on trees. Okay, the next it is camel. Camel live in desert. Cow, stay in cattle shed. Okay, the next it is horse. Horse stays in stable. Same donkey also. Donkey also stays in stable. Hen, hen stays in a coop. Rabbit, actually small animals like rabbit make their homes by digging an underground hole, and if a rabbit is lives in the forest, then its home known as burrows. Okay, but if it is a pet rabbit, then its home is known as hutch. Okay, now this ant. Okay, ant also live in a large family. They work together to build their nest, and it is made up of sand and look like a little hill. Okay, this is ant hill. Frog, can live in land and water both, that's why it is known as land animal as well as terrestrial animal, as well as aquatic animal you can say, or land animal or water animal you can say, because terrestrial animal or land animal both are same, and water animal and aquatic animal both are same. So frog, they live on They live in pond or lakes, you can say. Snakes, burrows, bee. Okay. The bees use wax to make a home called hive, and many bees stays together in a beehive. So that is what hive. Okay, where bees stays in a hive. Dog, kennel. For pet animals and farm animals, we make homes to keep them comfortable. Okay, like the horse stays in a stable, dog stays in a kennel, a cow stays in shed, mouse, hole, birds. Hmm. Birds use leaves, grass, and twigs to make their home or nest. Okay, so birds' home it is called nest. Panda. Panda stays in lives in where he stays a bamboo tree, because panda they love to eat bamboo tree. Okay, and actually it mostly found in China. Cat, case. Pig, the pig stays in his sty. Ship, ship stays in a pen. Duck, duck stays in water. Fish, fish stays in lives in aquarium, sorry, water. Okay, now here you can see some of the people keep it in home, and that is called, okay, some people do keep fish at home, and their homes is called an aquarium. Actually big or small, but the homes is special for everyone. So watch it and get benefit, and we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Good night.